When I was young, I fell in love with just the old hands, man, that was enough. Then we grew up, started to touch, the kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. Oh no, your daddy didn't like me much. He didn't believe me when I said you were the one. Every day, she found a way out of the window to sneak out. Like she used to meet me on the inside. She would have said no, said. And every day you know, like, ride to the back streets of a bed. You know I just wanna be tonight.
Why are you
We can go anywhere we wanna. Drop down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. You can do anything if you wanna mind to it. Take your whole life and you put the line through it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. Give me a heart, cause I'm gonna break it. So come away, started today. Starting to life together in a different place. We know that love is how all these ideas came to be. So baby, run away with me.
17, and we got a dream to have a family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly, we're 10, 23, and now we got pressure for taking our life more seriously. We got a dead-end jobs and got bills to pay. Our old friends and our enemies. And now I'm thinking back to when I was young, back to the day when I was young. He used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun goes down. Every day
I think I gotta get because I got like 5 passengers on it. Wait.
Just take my hand and come with me. Singing, we can do anything if we put our minds to it.